Hey there, let's see how you can quickly speed up or slow down your Instagram Reels using your iPhone or Android. For that, first you have to open up your Instagram, hit the plus icon at the bottom, and now make sure you are in the Reels section. Choose the video you wanna upload or create a new one. After selecting the video, go ahead and press next. Now look toward the bottom left corner, you will see the edit video option. Click into it. Then swipe just a bit and you will spot another edit button, hit that too. And from here you will find your speed option. Now to slow down your video, drag the speed slider to the left, and to speed it up, simply slide it to the right. It's that simple, and yeah, it really makes your reel pop. Once you're happy with the speed, just select the arrow icon in the upper right to move on. And from here, you can also customize your video as your preference. And when you are all set, just hit the arrow icon again to share your reel. I hope this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe for more tips.